Yeah, so Massivit actually founded in 2013 in order to address and bring the solution for the 2D printing to bring the 3D printing into it. Because most of the campaigns that are done today are done on 2D in the printing industry. And what we are doing here, we're actually adding additional layer to current businesses that they can combine 3D printing, 3D elements, 3D object. The use cases are enormous, and today more and more businesses are looking to differentiate themselves and to bring more new business. And many of our customers that already has 2D printers for signage and billboard and POP applications, they already have their clientele, the agencies, the brands. And actually they can add 3D elements to any of their current campaigns. For example, if you are doing campaign, you see some brilliant projects from our customer in Spain, Adaeco, for example. They do projects for Carolina Herrera and Dior. So you can see a packaging displays that actually added a high-end, top-notch, goldy bottle, perfume bottle, and that's actually a perfect example of combining the 2D and the 3D. So one of the typical application is the point of purchase. Now remember that in the printing industry, today the young generation look less and less on printed advertisement. And what the young generation likes is to do selfie point and tag themselves in social media. And these cool elements enable them actually to take selfie, and that's also an excellent selfie point. And again, the brands and the agencies want to grab people's attention. You can 3D print channel letter in very, very creative shape and geometries that you cannot do in normal techniques. Most popular is the soft signage, the textile that you can see everywhere. And usually the soft signage is in a square or triangle. With Massivit, you can create a shape of a logo. You can create a shape of something that is in a movement. With 3D, you can literally print the frame for the soft signage that cannot be done in other techniques. One of our cool features of the Massivit machine that we are printing very, very fast. And you choose an excellent example. The Galato ice cream that we printed, we saw that, and at the same day, we took the file and we printed a huge ice cream, 1.8 meter tall, in just 5 hours. And this is the productivity. And you know, that was happened on the fly. We met on the first day, I said, that you print you an ice cream because that's part of your campaign. So exactly, we are adding a joint campaigns, and the name of the game, not too many people know, but 3D printing exists for 30 years. And most of the 3D printers today are in a small size of a shoebox, let's give and take. Imagine how much time it would take you to print this ice cream that we presented with our neighbors here in this size. So our core technology called GDP, gel dispensing printing. We are the only one who prints with gel, very similar to a gel hair or a toothpaste, and with UV LED polymerize it, cure it, and transform it from a gel to a solid state material. And that actually enables us to bring very, very fast, like the cone of the ice cream that we printed in 5 hours only. And the Massivit 3000 is actually enable customer to step in to the 3D market from the 2D in attractive tag price. That's an entry point for our prospective customers. So that's the Massivit 3000. And we also have here in our stand the Massivit 10,000G, which using the core technology of GDP, but we have a second generation of technology called cast in motion that enable to print tools or mold, everyone call it in a different name, tools, mold, or pattern to print for the packaging industry thermoforming. You asked me about the 2D. There are today stretchable inks You see the drill behind us, that was done in a thermoforming. So if you need 100 copies or 1,000 copies of such a drill, that can be manufactured with the tool. And the Massivit 10,000G is producing tools for thermoforming, and it does, of course, everything that the Massivit 3000 is doing. We also have the brother of the Massivit 5000 that has the double capacity of the Massivit 3000. The response is amazing. People are amazed with the fact that they can buy this machine at the entry point. We have a very high interest in this, and I believe customers can adopt this technology very, very fast.